how to unblock Instagram on school Chromebook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically, there are multiple ways you can unblock Instagram on your school Chromebook. Over here, the first method is by using a VPN. So go to your Chrome extensions, click on Manage Extensions, and after that, go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for any reliable VPN, install it, and connect to a different server to bypass restrictions. The second method is by using proxy sites. Over here, just search for proxy websites like Hidester or Proxy, then use those websites to access Instagram. After that, the third method is using the Google Translate trick. So just paste the Instagram URL into Google Translate, translate it from any language to English, then click on the translated link to access Instagram. Then the fourth method is to use Instagram's IP address. Instead of typing instagram.com, just try using its IP address directly. Over here, sometimes the domain is blocked, but the IP address is not. Next, the fifth method is using browser extensions. You can add unblocking extensions like UltraSurf or HoloLapan from the Chrome Web Store. Then use those tools to route your traffic and bypass the block. And finally, step 6 is to contact your IT department. If Instagram is required for a project or club, over here you can request access by explaining your reason respectfully. So that's basically how you can use Hula app AI video generator. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.